It's me again, Cristel. Tonight's video, I'm going to do the unboxing of the new work bag. The date today, it's 19th of March 2026 and the time is exactly 7 p.m. I'm going to show you the bag that I purchased a few weeks ago. This is from the brand Kate Spade. I actually purchased also the wallet. Purchased this one. It's still a backpack, but not that big compared to my previous backpack. This is from Herschel. So I have here a lot of things. Here it is, guys. That. So here it is. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is the Carter KSNYL Cargo Large Backpack in a shade of Hot Fudge. So there's a big compartment here. It has also a big compartment at the back here. I think this is for the laptop. There's two small pockets here. There's two scrunchy pockets here. And I also got myself a new wallet here. Oh, here's the boo-boo. Okay, so here's my wallet. So here it is. You can put 9 cards. KN749 embellished Mirang wallet. Let's start transferring all my things in this bag. This one, kailangan ako siya i-decorate akong bag para dili po siya boring. So this is from Pop Mart as well. So I have this from Bagnet skeleton. See? So I'll just put this here. And that's it. Next is I'll put my new Labubu monster with my Charmera camera from Kodak. Let's start with whatever I put in the sides. Black and red pens, NF pens. So here's my eyebrow pencil from Max Factor X Brow Shaper, Ultra Fine Shaper, Field Define. Oh, I have this one. My name, Extra Rasul. I have another pen, brush pen. I have my highlighter. I have my blue pen from Pilot G2.5 here. The other one is the .38 Pentel Pen Energel Liquid Gel Ink 0.4. My Staedtler permanent pen. And I have my Bath and Body Works in Champagne Toast. Next, let's see the front. I have 2 product stamps in black and red. I have my lipstick from MAC in the shade Get the Hint. This is a nice color. I have another stamp, but it's the Check and Correct. I have another lipstick from MAC in a shade of Warm Teddy. Another shade. I have the Clear White Lens Cleaner. I have a lipstick here from Chanel. This one. This is from Chanel. Shade is 0600. I have another Dior Addict Lip Glow in the shade of Strawberry or 031. It smells so good here. I have my Body Shop Hand Balm Moringa for dry skin. I have my Hair Doctor comb. Next is I have a 5 cents here scrunchie from Nike. I have some points, 20 cents, and I have $2. So it's empty here in front. So here's my wallet, guys, from Herschel. So I'll transfer all my things from my wallet to this wallet, to this new one. I have my eyeglasses or my spectacles. I use this one while using a computer. Oh, there's another hand cream, but probably I'm not gonna use this one. This is from the Coconut Therapy. I have my pen container or pencil case. I bought this from Muji physical store in Sydney. I bring a lot of pens. So I have also another marker from the Pilot This is from Muji. So I have a lot of pens here. I have another bag here, my fanny pack, correction tape in case I need to correct something. I have here 2 forceps. I have also some tape, pencil. I have another pen with me. And I have my bandage scissor. I also have sticky notes here. I have some band-aids. I have this one. This is from Herschel, but this is so dirty, so probably I'm going to wash this. So this is my bag for my mouthwash and my toothpaste and my toothbrush. Another bag. Sorry guys, but this is from Orbit Key. My clips is kind of sticky note. I have this one as well, and I have another correction tape. Another bag. Lululemon. So this is where I put all my medications, supplements, or vitamins. So I also put here my extra underwear. So I have some clips here. Another bullet lipstick from MAC in the shade of Velvet Teddy. Here. This is a nice shade as well. So, in front, I have coins. So I have here with me my Sudafed. This is for my allergic rhinitis. So this one is the Digas. So this is the Simeticon. I have my ibuprofen. This is for my muscle pain because I've been experiencing back pain, the left upper back pain. I have my Jisoo Life. Oh, another lipstick from MAC. Ready Teddy. So I have also Telfast. This is for my allergic rhinitis as well. And I also have my Panadol Osteo 665 milligrams. So I use this one for headache and for my back pain and also for my period. This is my medication box. It's actually labeled. I have the Gaviscon, I have the Buscopan, Hyoscine. I have my chewing gums. Parang lumot atong baba, diba? Next, pencil case. Another pens. Most of my pens are black and red, and some highlighter. I have the permanent marker as well. Pen light. I have my Figs mask. Yeah. I'll just use that one. My period pad and my ID. I have my calculator. Yeah, I think that's it. This is from Owala. Putting that first. Oh, I forgot about this one. I also bring my compact mirror. See, this is so cute because it's rechargeable. You can, this is so bright. This is 7 times magnified on this area, and this one is just normal yellow. So, and then you can adjust brightness, long press. I'll just turn it off. This is my driver's license, guys. I have my own badge reel. Bought this from Amazon. So I will transfer this one. This is from my workplace ID. This is from Amazon, guys. I bought 3, black, pink, and white. See, it's so strong. And then I'll transfer my mini calculator. Okay, let's put inside all of my things. This one will be this. Put my bag and my toothbrush. This one, I need this one. Here inside. Where should I put my lipstick? Lipstick is important. I put everything in. This. My eyeglasses. Next is akong wallet. Na siya'y coin purse. Itong i-arrange atong wallet. Sunod na ko'y butsa ni nga kwarta day. Negara, Malaysia. Ringgit. Na ako'y picture. Ano siya? Butang na to itong 135 cents kay. Ako'y $2, $10, and 5 cents. Ako'y mga cards. Ako'y Medicare, pero kung Medicare, PRC na ako, guys. Na akong key card sa akong kuhan, guys, sa car. Nice na kayo siya, guys. I love it. Okay na ko siya. Hindi ko sa bag yun ay. Anyways, wala na siya guys ha. Pero nice sige siya. Love kayo na ko ang bag ay. Meron akong eskwela. Here is my bag. Tumuto akong mga ginabutan sa bag guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.